If your iPad is locked or showing iPad unavailable, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you 4 powerful methods to reset any iPad, even if you forgot your passcode or Apple ID. Forgot your iPad password? Don't worry. I'm going to show you the easiest and safest way to reset your iPad, even if it's locked or showing iPad unavailable. This method works on every iPad model, old or new, including iPad mini, iPad Air, and iPad Pro. In this video, I'll show you 4 reset methods: iCloud reset, iTunes/Finder reset, recovery mode, and the Find My app reset. Before we begin, make sure you remember your Apple ID and password. You will need it after resetting the device. Resetting your iPad will erase everything: apps, photos, documents. If you have a backup, you can restore it later. Method 1. iCloud reset. Let's start with the easiest method: resetting your iPad using iCloud without any computer. On your phone or another device, open any browser and go to iCloud.com. Step 2. Log in using the same Apple ID that is connected to your locked iPad. Step 3. Tap Find Devices and select your iPad from the list. Step 4. Now tap Erase iPad. This will wipe and reset your device completely. Method 2. iTunes/Finder. Now, let's move to Method 2. Resetting your iPad using iTunes or Finder on your computer. Connect iPad. First, connect your locked iPad to a Windows PC or Mac using a USB cable. Open Software. Next, open iTunes on Windows or open Finder if you're on a Mac. Detect Device. Your computer will automatically detect the locked iPad and show a device window. Restore option. Click the Restore button. This will erase your iPad and install a fresh version of iPadOS. Method 3. Recovery mode. If your iPad doesn't connect or shows unavailable, use recovery mode. To enter recovery mode, press and hold the top button while connecting the cable to your computer. Your computer will show a message saying the iPad is in recovery mode. Click on Restore to erase the iPad and reinstall the software. Method 4. Find My app. You can also reset your iPad using the Find My app on another Apple device. Open the Find My app on your iPhone and choose your iPad from the list. Tap Erase this device to reset your iPad remotely. After erasing, your iPad will reboot and act like a brand new device. When the reset completes, swipe up and begin the setup process. Sign in with your Apple ID to activate your iPad. If you created a backup in iCloud, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Forgot Apple ID? If you also forgot your Apple ID password, go to iForgotApple.com. If your iPad doesn't connect, try another cable or USB port. After resetting, choose a passcode you will remember easily. Turn on iCloud Backup so you never lose your data again. Set up Face ID or Touch ID for extra security. Keep your iPad updated so you avoid future lock issues. Turn on Unlock with Apple Watch or Unlock with iPhone if available. Never enter the wrong passcode repeatedly. It triggers lockouts. Always keep Find My iPad enabled for emergency resets. Save your passcode in a secure Notes app so you don't forget. If nothing works, you can contact Apple support for official help. Visit support.apple.com for step-by-step guides. Resetting your iPad is easy if you follow the right steps. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more tech solutions.